welcome back to the Wide Format Academy. As today we chat performance versus professional retractable banner stands and how you can choose the right display for you and for your customers. For customers new to the world of portable displays, it can come as a surprise that there are so many options to choose from. To the inexperienced eye, it's likely that all displays in the same family, for example, the retractable banner stands, look the same, so it can be baffling for these customers to find variations in price when it comes to selecting the right display for their needs. As a basic rule of thumb, the more expensive a display is, the better the quality and the more features it will have. But this doesn't always mean that the most expensive display is the right one for your customers' needs. The majority of customers are looking for a balance between performance, aesthetics, and cost. If the customer has a very limited budget or wants a one-time use banner for an event, then an economy display is a fairly obvious choice. If they're looking for a super deluxe appearance or a display that needs to last them for many years, then our premium range may be the most appropriate. There are also mid-range banners that offer a middle ground between the two. The tricky part comes when a client doesn't fit neatly into one bracket, or the other perhaps is low on the priority list. But they need a super durable display, or maybe they need to create a deluxe look on a tight budget. Choosing between the mid-range and the high-end display can sometimes be a difficult decision. So we've pulled together some key considerations when weighing up the differences between performance, like our Paris retractable, and professional grade displays, such as our Palermo retractable. So there you have it. Hopefully after this video, you have a better understanding of the differences between the performance and the professional retractable banner stand. If you or your customers require any further guidance in choosing the correct banner stand for your needs, our sales support team will be happy to help. Get in touch today for some further information. Stay tuned for what's to come next, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Wide Format Academy. Bye for now.